Hello there. So you want to know how you can fix EA app your game failed to launch error. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and launch your EA application and go to your library. I've not installed any of the games. In fact, I'm just going to show you how you can do it right through here. So click on library and on my games, click on this triple dot icon. Right now it only says download for me. However, it's going to say something along the lines of manage for you. So all you need to do is click on manage and then uninstall and then reinstall it back into your EA. And the second thing you want to do is simply first go to task manager and then end task for your EA. And now go ahead into your folder, go to local disk C, go to program files, go to electronic arts, EA desktop, and then simply scroll all the way down until you find the launcher. So there is the launcher. Simply go ahead and right click on that and click on properties. On security tab, click on edit and allow full control on all application packages, system administrator and users. So like I've done, and go to compatibility and run this program as an administrator always. And that is it. Your problem should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.